Good morning guys, Praful here. Welcome back and today is 14th of July. The time is 9:50. पहले दो clips मैंने जो record किया था, I forgot to turn the microphone on. So I'm gonna walk you through what happened in the first 30 minutes of market action. I had a 15,800 straddle, but the 15,800 put started bleeding, so I had to close this 15,800 straddle with a minor profit. And then what I did is I sat on a 15,700 and 15,850 strangle. But when 15,700 put started spiking, so I had to offload some of these 15,700 puts and shift them down to 15,650. So currently we have a 15,850 calls and we have short 15,700 and 650 puts with appropriate quantities. The MTM swings have been crazy to say the least. The MTMs have been all over the place. At one point I was up by 13k and then I came down to 0 and then I went to minus 2k and then I came back up to 13k. This happened pretty much 3 or 4 times today in the span of last 30 minutes. So we have like crazy MTM fluctuations that's going around. So that's why and in the Bank Nifty account, I was sitting on a 35,600 straddle, and the moment 35,450 levels got breached, I had to close it with a minor profit. Profit भी बोल नहीं सकते, cost to cost समझ लीजिए. And as of now, like once this 15,700 put start spiking to let's say 26, 27, 26, 26.5, then I have to close all these 15,700 puts and shift to 15,650 puts. The puts are spiking for no reason whatsoever. And I think once the market starts heading higher, these put side IVs, which have increased for no reason, are bound to cool off. But we can't sit watching these puts expand. So that's why, like, if need be, I might have to risk off from the put side. Like, मतलब मैं calls को फिर से लेके 15,800 पे तो नहीं आ सकता, because that is taking like too much of a risk. अगर मार्केट एकदम उल्टा मतलब एक बुलिश मोमेंटम आ जाता है, then we are gonna get burnt really bad. But I'll wait till these 15,700 puts reach 26, 27, and once that happens, like, I'm gonna square up these 15,700 puts and shift them to 15,650. That way we'll be having a balanced strangle. 200 point का strangle रहेगा. But I don't think these puts should spike up more than 27, because अभी जो एक्सपेंशन हुआ है पुट्स का, काफी एक्सपेंशन हो चुका है. एंड आई एम गेसिंग फ्रॉम हियर ऑन, इफ वी डोंट मेक अ क्विक डाउन मूव ऑफ लेट्स से 15-20 पॉइंट्स, I don't see any reason for these 15,700 puts to expand. But if at all they do, of course, like, we'll have to get out. No other way. And even these calls are not actually giving up a lot of their value, because जैसे थोड़ा बहुत gap down हो गया, these 15,850 calls, they crashed a lot in the initial tick. So this is the problem with low IV environment, क्योंकि already premiums काफी कम रहता है, and once we start making quick moves, then it's gonna be a bit of a disaster. Alright guys, the time is close to 10:20 and we have got absolutely no decay whatsoever, and in fact we are getting a bit screwed because of IV expansion. Both the puts as well as the calls are expanding in value. I think that's majorly because of how the Nifty IT is behaving, since we have Infosys results today. So I think there have been a lot of long options that are built around 15, all the way from 15,700 to 15,900. So because of which, not much of decay that we are getting. Even if you had not made any adjustments, and if you had waited till at least, so yeah, the only way is to wait out the IV expansion. So if the जो भी मतलब अभी IV spike हुआ है, once it starts cooling, maybe then we might realize something. But at any point, like, if I touch 10k mark to market, I'll just cut out the position. So there's no point here. But since it's a Wednesday, I'm expecting that there will come a point in the day where these option prices will just collapse like this, and that would immensely benefit everyone. I mean, that would immensely benefit us. So that's why, like, I'm just holding on to it, even though we are in an IV spike, and even though, like, we are having like huge MTM swings. plus or minus 4 points guys, like 4 point का MTM swing हो रहा है, and 4 points is not small mind you. Alright guys, the time is 10:55 and जैसे मैंने expect कर रहा था, it's just that there is no cool off that has been seen in either of the options and we are looking at an 18k loss. तो 18k translates to somewhere around 16k, भी 16k का loss दिख रहा है. So 16-17k loss somewhere translates somewhere to 3.5 points. So I thought that I would exit at 10k loss, but I was able to do some adjustments. Abhi filhal like we are currently delta neutral and strangle itself is worth somewhere around 42 rupees, close to 42. I'll give another 10k if at all we start heading to 25k of mark to market. I'll most probably cut it out. Because अभी भी मुझे लग रहा है कि after this kind of a breakout it has to either halt or it has to either take some break and अगर ऊपर की बात आती है तो there is a daily pivot at 18-15-837 तो थोड़ा बहुत मैं MTM swings सहना पड़ेगा and I'll see guys, I'll see because 1500 call is still worth 16 rupees. I don't think it should expand to more than 20. That's why like I've kept my stop losses at one at 19.8 and another at 20.8. If at all my stop losses get triggered, then most probably I'll call it a day at that point. We are down by around 15k. अभी 15k पे चल रहे हैं. So that's okay. Like since we are delta neutral, either the call side IVs need to cool down or the puts has to decay at some point. So I'm gonna hold. तो 45 lakhs के अकाउंट है तो कम से कम अगर 0.5% तो अगर मैं स्टॉप लॉस लेने के लिए रेडी नहीं हूँ तो देन व्हाट्स इट फॉर. तो एंड आई बिल्ट माय पोजीशंस ऑलमोस्ट 4800 क्वांटिटी. आज से ज़्यादा पोजीशन है तो एंड इसी टाइम पे ऐसे मूवमेंट आ जाती है. वेंसडेज आर प्रेटी वाइल्ड एंड वी हैव बीन सीइंग इट टाइम एंड अगेन. थोड़ा बहुत अभी लॉस कम हो रही है बिकॉज द कॉल साइड जो आईवी है वो पूरा नीचे आ रहा है. सो we'll see what to be done. The time is 11:11. Usually Instagram पे जो 11:11 का पोस्ट देख के काफी मजा आता है कि I don't know, like there is some superstition around 11:11. I don't know. Whatever. So I have booked a total loss of 2.2k here, and here I've gained small 438 rupees, which is peanuts. So I'm gonna call it a day here guys. So I don't want to I don't want to take any further trades. That's because the risk reward is not at all suiting. तो अगर फिर से एक और बार एक अप मूव दिखा देंगे then it's gonna be disastrous to say the least. So I'm gonna wait out. Alright, I'm gonna wait out and just let this day pass because in no way this kind of a market is feasible for option sellers and that's the reason I didn't play yesterday. But since Wednesday had accelerated decay, I thought of playing today, but again the same thing turned out. जो कल हुआ आज भी same चीज हुआ है and probably I think the best course of action is to just sit out and watch the markets because like we are non-directional traders and by no standards this is even close to being conducive to play non-directional. So after I closed all the positions, I've taken a classic calendar spread 35,400 and 35,900, the graph of which looks something like this. So I have a break even of 35,250 and close to 36,075. So we have from here we have 400 points towards the upside and 400 points towards the downside, which I think should be decent enough considering the fact that tomorrow is the expiry and by tomorrow end all these options will essentially go to zero. So and this has done quite well. So this has almost gained 4,500 and 3,000, 7,000 minus. It has almost gained like 4k. And the mark to market wise like we have come above water, so 1,700 rupees or something. But of course like I can't take this because it's still unrealized, right? मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ like क्योंकि जब तक MTM को close करके realized profit से realized loss नहीं होता है, that's not your final figure. So this is not my final figure. So यहाँ पे जो profit हो रहा है, it's not the final thing. So that's why I won't be taking it and I'll still call it a 2k loss day. And considering the fact how the markets turned out, we did quite okay. But now that all these call side IVs which had expanded to almost 34, 33, 34, so those things have pretty much cooled off to 21, 22. The strangle itself has lost, the strangle has lost quite some value. This 900 and 750 strangle, which I sold for around 40, is now trading at somewhere around 35. Yeah, somewhere around 35. So, but no regrets, guys, because at one point the strangle was trading at, when it was 33, this was somewhere around same, this was somewhere around 13. So at one point it was trading at 50 plus, so we would be looking at an MTM loss of 10 points, which I can't even fathom taking at this point, because we don't have leverage. So I can't afford to take a loss more than 1% of my capital. Agar जब 50% leverage रहता, I mean 2x leverage रहता, then I could have taken a 2% loss, क्योंकि whenever I make also I make that kind of a money, so that equation would hold. But now whenever we make, like, we make 0.5 to 1%, and we can't afford to take more than like 1% loss. So that's why, like, I've closed my day, didn't fight the markets, because the put side, the decay was not at all happening, and I was not ready to sit on the mark to market losses. Okay, that's the whole thing. So the time is 2:24, and I'm gonna carry these positions overnight. NRML pe hai. And yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow for the expiry day trading. So today is another 2k loss day. I hope you guys didn't get, stuck in this massive call side IV spike, and I hope you escaped whatever the market threw at you guys. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.